Windshield wipers for core strength, lying version. This variation targets the obliques and lower abs. How to do it. 1. Lie flat on your back with arms, extended out to your sides, like a T for stability. 2. Raise your legs straight up to a 90-degree angle. 3. Slowly lower both legs to one side, keeping them straight and hovering just above the floor. Don't let them touch. 4. Bring them back to the center, then lower to the other side. 5. Repeat 8 to 15 times each side. Easier modification. Bend your knees at 90 degrees instead of keeping legs straight. Benefits? Strengthens core, especially obliques. Improves control and stability. Good for injury prevention and spine health. Move slowly and with control to get full benefit. Keep your shoulders grounded in the core version. Focus on quality over quantity. It's not a speed exercise. Please check my next video.